The lovely Cape coat. So here's my review on it, what I think about it, yes or no, all that jazz. The beginning of the video is about other items I've ordered online, so feel free to skip ahead and fast forward. It's about halfway through the clip. The moment we've all been waiting for, the Cape coat. Are you ready? Hi, I am back with the Cape coat, and this is me wearing it on. It's actually not bad, hey? I think it's nice the way it fits. When I just started to put it on, I was a bit wary about the actual coat itself. But now I'm looking at it and it doesn't look bad. It's a very sophisticated, beautiful look actually. I mean, it's not what I expected, but it's not bad. And the triangles on the side, they look a tad bit funny, but they're actually perfectly designed for your arms so that you can fold your arms forward and things like that. I love the color. It's a very sophisticated color, classy, stylish color, beigey, camel color. It goes well with my shoes, I must admit. But yeah, it's a light color. It makes you look a lot more sophisticated than you like any other colors usually do. And I do like the style, I must admit. I think it might be growing on me. Like I said, I expected something more like a coat with a cape on the back, as the name suggested. And by the way, movement is great though. But to be honest, I think it's growing on me. It's nice. There's perfect place for your arms. You can move them as much as you possibly want. It's fine. It looks great at the back. It just covers my butt. And yeah, I think I might get used to this. It definitely does keep me warm on the inside though. I'm just gonna walk around. Please excuse the pink shirt. I didn't realize it's gonna stick out. And just to show you the movement of it and whatever, the material is actually nice and thick, and I can definitely feel the heat on the inside. No jokes about it, hey? Yeah, like I said, it's a very sophisticated, stylish look. You can wear it out at night. You will definitely catch the attention of a lot of people. And cape coats in general, the design of it, be it from Trueworths, Zara, I don't know if Zara sells, anywhere you get them, I think the design is quite a winner. I think it can be quite the look. Don't think a lot of people give them enough credit, to be honest, you know? Well ladies, this is my take on the cape coat. I think it's quite the look, hey? I think it's a winner and I think it should be given a lot of chance. I think it's quite a sophisticated, stylish look. I think it's a perfect addition to a winter wardrobe and it makes you look extremely well dressed. Expensive as well as quite the looker when it comes to the fashion world. Honestly, give it a shot, see if you like it. I think there's a place for it in the winter fashion world. I honestly do. I think people should start giving it a chance because you don't see this kind of coat, this kind of style, this kind of look often. You don't. When you go into the shops, only certain stores. I haven't seen them often. Only certain times you're like, oh, is that a cape coat? Oh, is that that? I think people should start giving it a chance more often. It's lovely. It's beautiful. It's a look. It is just a look. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. Please click the subscribe button and stay tuned. I hope to see you again. I've never had a cape coat before and I ordered it in a beige color and I am super duper excited. I saw them and they had so many different varieties. It was so difficult to pick one and I've even googled them to see what they look like on the internet, on models and stuff. Yeah. So now it's the real moment of truth, the what it really looks like moment of truth, and yeah, I'm super excited. So yeah, I think we're gonna open it now. I'm also scared to open it because I'm scared I'm disappointed, but I won't be. And I'm super excited to see what it looks like. So here it goes. That's a tough guy. Okay, so it's another cloth bag. It says sale on it. Definitely wasn't on sale, unfortunately, or else I would have jumped at it. It's one of the newer lines. Okay, so opening the cape box. So this is what it looks like. It's a very nice velvety material. I'm not sure. Oh, it's kind of like, yeah, it's like it's a hole inside. Oh, it's kind of like a poncho, just it's not a poncho. I thought a cape coat's like a coat, but with a cape attached to it. I'm not that 100% sure I'm that happy with it. But I'll see when I try it on. It's like I said, it's thick. I'm sure it'll keep you warm very nicely. Yeah, I don't really know what to think about this. It's pretty much like a poncho, just different. Okay, I don't know why I'm keeping it up in front of the camera, just a bit different. Okay. Interesting. I guess I can try it on and see what it looks like.